In this tutorial, I wanted to talk about a different way of casting off if you are doing a ribbed stitch. So we've already spoken about a 1x1 rib, a 2x2 rib. Now this is a way to cast off that maintains the stretch in the rib so that it isn't just a hard edge. It has a little bit of movement in it, so it's perfect for cuffs, for necklines, and things that you want to have a little bit of stretch in. So I'm going to show you. It follows the same fundamentals as the regular cast off, but we're going to be alternating between knits and purls rather than knitting the whole time. We're going to follow our 1x1 knit rib pattern as normal. So we're going to knit our first stitch, then we're going to bring our yarn to the front, and we're going to purl till we have 2 stitches on our right needle. Now, because we've just purled, this bit of yarn is a little bit annoying and in the way. So what I like to do is put it to the back so it's ready to knit the next stitch. But first, what we're going to do is cast off the stitch like we did with our regular cast off, where you take the stitch and you secure this one. You're going to take the stitch that's further away from the tip of the needle, and you're going to bring it over the stitch that's on there and off the needle. And that has secured your first cast off stitch. So the next stitch you can see is going to be a knit stitch for us to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to knit this one as normal. And we've got 2 stitches on our right needle again. So that means this one is coming up and over and off this stitch. So we're going to bring it up, over the stitch and off the needle, like so. So now we can see that this next stitch is going to be a purl. So yarn comes to the front, we're going to purl the stitch. And then after purling the stitch, again, this yarn's in the way, so we're going to bring it to the back so it's out of the way and easy to see what we're doing. And we're going to bring this stitch over this one and off the needle. So grab the stitch, over and off. And we're going to keep doing that all the way to the end. So we can see this is a knit stitch, so we're going to knit it. We have 2 stitches on our right needle, so we're going to bring that stitch over and off. Now the next one's going to be a purl, so the yarn comes to the front. We're going to purl that stitch. Then we're going to put the yarn at the back again so that it's out the way. And then we're going to bring this stitch over this one and off the needle. So this stitch over and off. Next one is a knit, so we're going to knit the stitch. We've got 2 again, so we're going to take that needle and bring this stitch over and off. Next one's going to be a purl, so bring it to the front, purl. Now we've got 2 stitches again, so bring the yarn out the way, and then we're going to take that stitch, we're going to bring it over and off the needle. This one's a knit, so we're going to knit that stitch, 2 again, over, off. Yarn to the front for a purl, purl it. Now we've got 2 stitches, yarn out of the way, bring that stitch up and over, and now we're going to knit 2 stitches, so up and over and off. Sometimes when you're casting off you can get carried away and start knitting, and then all of a sudden you've got 3 stitches on your needle. So always be careful and be mindful that whenever you've got 2 stitches is the time to start casting off. So purl, right, 2 stitches, yarn out the way, bring that stitch over and off, knit, 2 stitches, so we're going to bring that over and off. Then we're going to purl our last stitch, bring the yarn to the front, over, and now bring that out the way, and this stitch is going to go over and off. Now, we are at the last stitch, so then we're going to take our scissors and cut the yarn. Move that out of the way. And then we are going to secure the stitch, hold it, and just pull the needle up, and then give it a little bit of a tug. And there we have our cast off. So here you can see the difference between the 2 cast offs. This is a regular cast off and creates a very neat edge, but it's a bit rigid. Whereas this cast off, because it's been knitting and purling, it's kind of changing directions and a little bit wiggly, but it has a lot of stretch in it. so it can stretch, and it gives you a little bit more allowance when you're putting things over your head or you're putting your arms into it. So it's a great way to cast off and give a little bit of extra give in your project. Thank you for watching this video. Now don't forget to subscribe to Let's Get Knitting for more tutorials of knit and crochet, and of course, some extras from Game of Wool.